Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant buzz of digital clutter and distractions? Do you find yourself lost in a sea of notifications and endless scrolling? Take a deep breath, because today we'll dive into the power of digital minimalism. Get ready to discover how simplifying your digital world can lead to a more fulfilled and focused life. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Modern Minimalism, where we explore the art of simplifying our lives in a world of excess. Let's confront the harsh reality. We're drowning in screens. The average person spends hours each day glued to digital devices, leading to mental fatigue, decreased productivity, and a constant sense of being overwhelmed. Social media, emails, notifications, they all clamor for our attention, leaving us drained and disconnected from what truly matters. But fret not, because I've curated 28 practical and actionable tips to help you embark on your digital minimalist journey. These tips are like stepping stones toward a more mindful and balanced digital life. Please hit that subscribe button for more content like this and to spread the word to more minimalists out there. Thank you. Let's dive in. 1. Declutter your digital spaces. Start by clearing out unnecessary files, emails, and apps from your devices. 2. Organize your digital folders. Create a streamlined folder structure to easily access and manage your digital content. 3. Practice inbox. 0. Aim to keep your email inbox empty or near empty by processing emails promptly. 4. Set app limits. Use built-in features or third-party apps to limit your daily usage of social media and other time-consuming apps. 5. Unsubscribe from newsletters. Reduce email clutter by unsubscribing from newsletters and promotional emails you no longer need. 6. Create digital detox days. Dedicate specific days or weekends to disconnect from all digital devices and focus on offline activities. 7. Implement screen curfews. Set a time in the evening when you switch off screens to promote better sleep quality. 8. Use Do Not Disturb mode. Activate this mode during focused work sessions or quality time with loved ones to minimize interruptions. 9. Practice mindful social media use. Set specific time slots for social media browsing and avoid mindless scrolling. 10. Utilize digital note-taking apps. Simplify your note-taking process by using digital apps that sync across devices. 11. Automate repetitive tasks. Explore automation tools to streamline tasks like bill payments, reminders, and scheduling. 12. Opt for digital subscriptions. Consider digital subscriptions for magazines, books, and entertainment to reduce physical clutter. 13. Digital budgeting. Use budgeting apps to track and manage your digital purchases, subscriptions, and expenses. 14. Digital dieting. Periodically review and trim down your digital subscriptions, apps, and online memberships. 15. Practice digital minimalism with kids. Set healthy boundaries and screen time rules for children to foster balanced digital habits from a young age. Kindly subscribe to the channel to get more content like this for my fellow minimalists. Thank you. 16. Digital environment optimization. Adjust screen brightness, font sizes, and color schemes for a more comfortable digital experience. 17. Use distraction-free writing tools. Choose minimalist writing apps or tools that eliminate distractions and enhance focus. 18. Backup and secure your digital data. Regularly back up important files and ensure robust security measures for your digital assets. 19. Digital calendar organization. Maintain a clutter-free digital calendar with clear categorization and reminders for important events. 20. Practice digital mindfulness exercises. Incorporate mindfulness techniques into your digital routine, such as deep breathing or short meditation breaks. 21. Explore digital minimalist communities. Join online communities or forums dedicated to digital minimalism for support, inspiration, and accountability. 22. Create digital free zones in your home. Designate specific areas where digital devices are not allowed, such as the dining table or bedroom. 23. Use e-readers for minimalist reading. Opt for e-readers or digital books to reduce physical book clutter and enhance affordability. 24. Set boundaries with work emails. Establish clear boundaries regarding work-related emails outside of working hours to maintain work-life balance. 25. Embrace digital hygiene practices. Clean your digital devices regularly, organize cables, and declutter digital desktops for a visually soothing experience. 26. Utilize screen time tracking tools. Monitor your screen time habits with tracking apps to gain insights and make informed adjustments. 27. Digital Minimalist Workspace Setup. Design an ergonomic and minimalist workspace that fosters productivity and creativity. 28. Reflect and adjust regularly. Periodically review your digital habits, goals, and progress to make necessary adjustments in your digital minimalist life. Now, amidst these 28 tips, there's one that stands out as a true catalyst for change: creating a digital manifesto. Take time to reflect on your values, priorities, and goals in relation to digital technology. Craft a personalized manifesto that guides your digital choices, setting clear boundaries and intentions for a more meaningful and purposeful digital life. In closing, adopting a digital minimalist mindset isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. It's about reclaiming your time, attention, and mental well-being from the clutches of digital overwhelm. Each of these tips is a stepping stone toward a more intentional and fulfilling digital life. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you. Now, it's your turn to take action. Choose at least one digital minimalist tip from this comprehensive list and integrate it into your daily routine. Share your experiences, challenges, and victories in the comments below. Let's support and inspire each other on this journey to a more mindful and balanced digital existence. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of digital minimalism. Until next time, stay mindful, stay minimalist, and stay inspired.